I don't like veggies.
Really?
No, Dad.
Are you sure? Okay, so I didn't find 10 ways, but we did find one really good one. We've tried a lot of different ways to make sure that we get proper nutrition, and I love my girl. She is fantastic. But just like anybody else, it's hard to find those green veggies that she really likes to eat. We still serve healthy things all the time, but it can be really hit or miss. So then we found a great recipe that she actually loves.
It tastes like fruit juice.
So we wanted to show you our quick, easy, and super healthy trick for getting our greens in for the day.
My dad and I are gonna make a smoothie.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, good. So to make ours, we use the Patriot Power Blender. You can use whatever blender works for you.
It's not as loud as our old one.
True. And most importantly, it has a safety feature where if you take this top part off, then the blades won't work, which is really important to me as a parent. So, how do we start?
First, we put in some water. Then we add some spinach, which I don't like, but you can't taste it in here. Throw in some blueberries, add some ice, put in a scoop of Patriot Power Greens, and then push the button.
All right, let's go. Let's get a glass. All right. So, are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. So how does it taste? Cool. Well, we hope that you guys enjoy this recipe as much as we do. And thanks for watching.